Okay, in this video, I want to just talk briefly about the homeworks, the discussions, the quizzes, and the exams. So we've got those four things going on here. Quizzes, exams should be pretty straightforward. There are, here in Sakai, I'm clicking on the test and quizzes link, right? And these are all gonna, sorry, I need to exit the student view. I'm going to be importing these, and these are all going to start to appear here. And that would mean that they're available for you to take, and they'll say which chapter they're applying to. We've got the assignments listed here, so you can get to them this way here. If we look at this as a student, you'll be able to see what they look like. But again, what you're doing for these homework assignments, in my suggestion, the easiest way to do it, you've got your due deadlines listed here. Is that you should just go to getting started, go to the homework assignment questions, click on that. It's going to bring up this document, and then you're going to click on this link and do those questions. Now, how do you need to do this? Different instructors do different things. I don't want to be that formal about it. If you want to handwrite things out and take a picture with your phone and submit the picture, that's fine. It's just the most important thing is that for each homework assignment, it needs to be one file. It needs to be one file. Sakai doesn't like it when you do multiple files for a document, and it makes migrating a little bit harder too, admittedly. So how would you do that, right? So let's say you're doing the method of like handwriting things out, or something like that. And that includes graphs. I don't care if the graph is hand drawn either. So what you would do, Google Docs is the easiest way to do this. Go to Google Docs, create a new document, right? And that could be like, okay, right? And I'm like doing the questions, right? And then I come up to one where I need a graph. Then what I would do, if it were me, is I would hand draw out the graph on a piece of paper, take a picture with my phone, send that picture to my West Liberty email address, and then I would just go to Insert Image and upload it from my computer and upload that file that I sent to myself in my email, right? And it makes it pretty easy to upload everything. Then when all is said and done, go to File, Download, and download it as a PDF. Save that PDF to your computer and then upload that PDF to Sakai as your homework assignment. It makes doing the homework assignments a lot easier, and you don't need to have like a formally drawn graph. If you don't want to type your responses and you just want to handwrite out everything, that's fine. Then what you would need to do is, if you're handwriting out everything instead of like typing things, is open up that blank Google Doc, take a picture of the whole page where you wrote things, and insert those pictures of the whole image that you took, right, the picture of each page, and then save that as a PDF, a single PDF that you can then upload. So we've got tests and quizzes, we've got the assignments, and then the other thing is the discussions. So these discussion boards, I think they want to make them more complicated than they need to be. The whole point of the discussions is to get you thinking and talking and sharing about your points of view, and finding out what others think and sharing what you think. Unfortunately, there's only an 8-week class, so how do you get a lot of conversation happening when it's only 8 weeks and it's 8 different topics? I don't want to rush things. I'll just kind of show you, because I'm doing a different class in this first half of the semester. Let me just show you what we've been doing in that class. Ignore the names. Don't get all worked up about the names, but it actually has worked out pretty well. Is that what you can do is you can see all these forms, and we've all kind of participated in them. Let's just go to one of them here. And you can basically see that, right, people someone is making a reply, right? And then some people are replying to it, like just a few lines and whatnot. And there was only a few comments here from that person. right? And we can go to, sorry, it's like too far over here. Right? Some of them don't have any replies. It's fine. I'm not judging you based on your posting based on how many did not reply to you. I want you to make a meaningful response, and I'd like you to make some meaningful replies. I'll be kind of watching. I'm not going to be necessarily grading your replying, but I will be looking to see that you are replying to others. That's it. We've got these 4 things again. We've got forums, assignments, tests and quizzes, tests and quizzes. So we've got 4 things here. And you can basically expect that every week you're going to have a discussion forum, most weeks 2 assignments, and most weeks 1 quiz. And then we'll have 2 exams during the entire semester.